Hi, I'm Dr. Ibrahim Ghafir, the program leader of BSc Computer Science for Cybersecurity at the University of Bradford. The Computer Science for Cybersecurity course combines computer science principles with cybersecurity practices. This program focuses on the development and implementation of secure systems, networks, and software, as well as the investigation of cybercrime and security threats. Furthermore, it focuses also on using AI for cybersecurity. This course prepares you to protect organizations and individuals from cyber attacks, ensuring the integrity and confidentiality of digital information. It also equips you with skills that are in high demand in industry. All our computer science programs share a common first year. This includes computer science for cybersecurity, software engineering, and computer science for artificial intelligence. This provides you with a strong foundation to build upon as you progress through your academic journey. You also have the option to move programs after the first year if you find your interest changing to a different focus. The University of Bradford has a proven track record of alumni that make a big impact in the tech world. You'll learn how to start businesses and how to approach a startup. With a computer science for cybersecurity background, you can pursue a variety of careers, including security analyst, penetration tester, security engineer, and digital forensic investigator, to name just a few. Our program is accredited by the British Computer Society, or BCS, which is the Chartered Institute for IT for the purposes of fully meeting the academic requirement for registration as a chartered IT professional. The common first year and optionality we spoke about earlier is a massive benefit we offer here at Bradford. It allows you to approach your academic journey with the flexibility to make sure it works for you. Leading AI research in the UK is being undertaken here and directly benefits our programs and students. For example, in this program, you'll learn how to use AI for cybersecurity. Bradford University is part of the Turing University Network, which gives our students access to better connections and collaboration with other organizations. We also have a state-of-the-art cutting-edge lab for cybersecurity that you can access 24 hours, 7 days a week from day one of your studies. This program covers many topics in computer science and cybersecurity, such as internet technologies, computer communications and networks, system security management, cybersecurity, foundation of cryptography, principles of security technologies, and more. You will also look at mathematics with a computer focus. We'll teach you the technical skills and knowledge to protect systems and data from cyber threats. You'll understand the techniques used by hackers and how to use them for defensive purposes and ethical hacking. You will learn how you can use advanced AI and machine learning for cybersecurity. We integrate real-world problems into final year projects, so you are working on real cybersecurity issues, not just performing an academic activity. During your learning, you'll also implement software, applications, and projects. You'll learn how to present your work and explain it both to experts and the public. In your final year, you'll create a portfolio and CV and learn how to present yourself to employers. It's key to us that you not only graduate with the skills to undertake the work, but also to present yourself to the industry in a positive way. This program had a 3 and a 4-year option, with the 4-year option including a placement here after your second year. Some of our previous student placements have been undertaken in the NHS, HMRC, and General Electric, for example. This placement year provides experience in the real world, ensuring you can apply what you've learned in industry. During the second year, we have an Enterprise Pro event that invites industry experts into the university to talk to our students about what is going on in industry right now. We have a student union society called BISOC, the first ever BCS student chapter in the UK. This is a melting pot for creativity and ideas, has trips and events focused on computer science. At Bradford, we offer a wide range of additional support to our students, such as a personal academic tutor, counseling services, disability services, and academic skills support. This ensures that you always have support when you need it. So if this program sounds like the one for you, then check out our website for more information, or visit us at one of our open days. If you've already got an offer from us, then join us on an experience day to get a taste of what's in store when you study at the University of Bradford.